Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to link your bank card or debit card in your PayPal app. So first thing is you need mag-download ng PayPal app. So kapag meron ka ng PayPal app, so you can open your app para ma-direct na tayo sa ating tutorial. So now andito na po tayo sa ating app. So kailangan na natin mag-sign in. So kapag wala ka pang PayPal account guys, so you can create. Then meron din akong tutorial dyan. So next is add your password. So after that, you can tap login. Also naglagay din ako ng PayPal link dyan sa description box below para ma-direct na kayo kapag gusto nyo mag-download ng app. So here guys, andito na po tayo complete account setup. So here, confirm your phone number. So you can add your phone number here. Dapat active yung phone number mong ilagay mo dyan. So meron din siyang link a bank account and link your card. So here, first thing is kailangan natin confirm yung phone number. So if you have any bank account guys, you can link your account here, or kung meron ka ng debit card, so you can add your debit card. Like mine, I only have credit card. So first thing, dito sa card number is ilagay mo yung card number mo nga nakalagay dyan sa harap ng ATM mo. So next is meron tayong expiration and CVV. So makikita mo din yan sa likod ng ATM card mo. So after mo malagyan, so itap mo yung link card. As you can see guys, na hindi pa tayo totally set up kasi I make this account for tutorial only. Kasi kapag na-verify na, hindi na tayo pwede makapag-screen record. So, basta yung tinuturo ko guys, susundin ninyo lahat para ma-verify na kayo. So, meron din silang online purchase. Then, ilang beses na akong gumamit ng PayPal guys.